putting backing on Turquoise. Last part of this weekend's project coming out there. Enjoy. Today's project is to put some backing on some of this turquoise. So stabilized. Some of it still has a little bit of the plastic helps from the first runs. That'll come right off with grinding. But anyways, backing on some turquoise. So some turquoise is, with stabilization, it's big enough, thick enough, a couple pieces here, right, that it does not need any kind of backing on. But some of the pieces are not necessarily that thick. So let's see if it's going to focus here on me. There, it's a little bit better. So putting like a back, and it's just going to put a little flat layer underneath that'll slowly harden. It'll do a couple things. It'll help stabilize it further, so the turquoise is stable, but it'll help stabilize it further, and it also gives it a little bit of height if you need it, if you're doing a cab and setting it, in a setting, something like that. So if it's a super thin piece, you want some backing on it, but I'm going to try to put some pretty thin backing on some of these. Just to see, and actually I kind of want to do it so that they're ready to be cabbed by anybody. So I might bring some to the shop, see if people are interested, but mostly for ourselves, and just to have it ready, because that's what all this is going to be used for eventually. I got the big specimen pieces in that too that I like having as just specimen pieces. Those are typically thicker, kind of like these, the specimen pieces that I have are bigger. And I like the big chunky stuff too, but these slices are specifically really for cabbing. So I kind of want to just get it set and ready to go. I will show some of the processes along the way, and let's see how putting some backs on this turquoise works. So supplies are, shown below. Wax paper to set it on after you do it. The JB Weld, you mix those two together in a disposable container. My kind of go-to disposable is bottom of a milk jug, which I clean out very well, cut it off, but it makes a great little almost bowl / tray for kind of mixing stuff up in. So when I'm needing something that's disposable, I'll hack the bottom off of one of those. So those are the supplies needed for this project, and of course coffee.
Hello. We're the Dead South. Cry, baby, cry, crying all about, thinking about missing that banjo sound. Finger picking good and greasy bounce overrun, all the way back to mama. To grab your gun, you keep playing in your mind. That man was playing time after time. Those patch-out beats out, feeling just fine. Day away, foot stomps and gravy trains. Where is the heart? Sundown, they dance tonight. Angels singing sounds just right. Demons playing, there ain't no fight. Will you pray? This music will go away. You pure old heart. I'm feeling salty, but I'm drinking Sprite. That tangy banjo sounding so and bright. Heavy hearts to an empty stage right. You say there is no bass today. Well, I don't feel so right. Sundown day turns to night. Well, angels say sounds just right. Demons playing, there ain't no fight. Will you pray? This music will go away. You pure old heart. Blue trash don't touch my art. They want it back how it was at the start. Get on the track, why did we depart? Well, you done, 'cause you cannot take away what's in our hearts today. What's in our hearts? Sundown day turns to night. Angels sing, sounds just right.
So there we go. Slightly messy. Not too bad though, you know. I kept it mostly in the container. I ended up going through both, well, basically the set of the JB Weld for that much turquoise. I thought it was actually going to go a little bit further than it did, but you know, learn. I'd never used it before, so there you go. Actually got 90% of what I wanted to do done. Those are the only couple pieces that I didn't get to put backing on that I wanted to. So, you know, I'll do it again. I'll get some more at some point and do it again. Not the easiest stuff to get out of the tubes. Those metal tubes, and the stuff is pretty thick consistency. So I did see when I was looking for this JB Weld product that there was a product that they offer which kind of comes out of this dual syringe, which looked like it might be easier to get out. I'm sure it was a little bit pricier just for that method, but I might try that next time instead, just to see if it was a little easier. It was tough getting it all out. That last little bit, you know, it's thick. Yeah. Anyways, maybe it's just me and being an old man. Anyways, not bad. So we'll give it a few hours to set. It says like 3 to 4 hours for its initial set, and then to fully cure like a 15-hour or something like that. So we'll let it set overnight. Just let it set for the rest of the day today at least, and see, you know, pull some up because it'll be decent enough to look at. And then before I do anything with it, it's going to be a few days anyways. So yeah, neat. So I let these sit overnight, and they seem to have done just well. Be great for trimming up and getting in the cabber. We'll see. I'm going to get them some trimmed up here soon, and maybe give a trial run on one this week here at the shop. Projects. Got to make some movement on it. So, hey, you know what? I really appreciate y'all showing up. Take care.